Let me save you an afternoon of searching. This is the Missouri Repair and Deduct letter. It is free, and you can have it filled in before this video finishes. Today, it is the Missouri Repair and Deduct letter. A repair and deduct letter is the tenant's written notice that something affecting the habitability of the unit is still not fixed, naming the defect, the date it was first reported, and what the tenant intends to do next. Repair and deduct is one of the few self-help remedies a tenant has, and it lives or dies on the paper trail you built before you used it. Without that letter, a tenant who arranges the work and subtracts the cost from the rent can find themselves defending an eviction instead of getting a repair. And this is the part that matters. The deadlines, the notice periods, and the wording that actually count are set by Missouri law, not by a generic national template. The version on our site is built for Missouri, and the page walks you through the Missouri rules that apply to it. Enter the details once, and the page produces the finished document for you, dated and ready to send. Free, no sign-up, no email required. If that helped, hit like, subscribe, so the rest of the 50-state series finds you, and head to tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com to fill yours in free.